This is the multi-tool guy here for a third review on a Leatherman multi-tool. Today we have the Wave Plus. This is one of the best, in my opinion. It's one of my favorites. Has a lot of tools. Comes with a sheath. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just the original. But I'll show you the tools on the outside. So you got your serrated blade. I haven't used it once. You've got your diamond coated file on this side for your nails, plastic. Then your wood file here for, filing wood. That's that. Then you have your blade. It's quite a big blade because if you go to your palm, it's nearly as big as my palm. My palm is about 9 centimeters. Then we have a saw. It's a good saw. I haven't used it, but it feels good. It's a nice saw. Pity about all the scratches on the knife. That's all the tools on the outside. Now on the inside, on this side you have a small Phillips head screwdriver there. Pull that out. You have a small flathead screwdriver. Camera doesn't want to focus on that for some reason. It's very annoying. Not sure what you would use that on apart from glasses, but here you have a flathead. Don't know why there's so many screwdrivers, but there is. Here you've got some scissors. They're pretty good. They are very compact. Now on this side you have a bit driver thingy. I don't know what the hell it is really, but you've got a Phillips, and then you've got a flathead, Phillips, flathead. I use the Phillips a lot. It's very handy. And then you have, your bottle opener, can opener, and the wire strippers. Now, for the needle nose pliers, you have needle nose pliers, average pliers, exchangeable, wire cutters, wire strippers. There's this little tool in here, I'm not sure what it is. Just give me a sec. I don't have any information about it. Actually, this is standard wire cutters and electrical, what is it? I don't know what it is, but it's a really good multi-tool. I highly recommend getting the Wave Plus. Well, that's the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and this is the multi-tool guy signing off.